Trying to remove stains from your clothes, and wondering which one is better, Borax or Oxiclean? Hello, my name is David Glover, and I'm a writer on Cleaner.com, and today I'll introduce you to two great cleaning products, Borax and Oxiclean. Borax is a powerful cleaning agent that comes in the form of a crystal that easily dissolves in water. Its alkaline formula easily removes stains on different surfaces in households. Oxiclean is a multi-purpose stain remover. It's a color-safe cleaning agent, equally effective against laundry stains, as well as against any other household surface. The best way to present to you the main characteristics of those two products is to compare them. The main difference between Borax and Oxiclean are the ingredients. Both agents have the same purpose, yet they are slightly different. Borax is known as an alkaline agent, while Oxiclean isn't. Oxiclean contains only 4 key ingredients: sodium percarbonate, sodium carbonate, surfactants, and other polymers. On the other hand, Borax is made from sodium, boron, and oxygen. The best way to use Borax is to dissolve it in water and use it as a multi-purpose spray. Perfectly would be to spray it on stains before washing. When it comes to Oxiclean, you can apply it on a specific spot, or just add it to the laundry before the cycle. Both cleaning agents are considered safe when it comes to colored fabrics, if used per instructions. The only way that they could affect your clothes is if you were to use too much of them, or if you use them in combination with other chemicals that can cause discoloration. As well, both agents are safe for septic systems, if used properly in regular amounts. When it comes to the environment, it's safe to say that both cleaning products are not toxic to humans or animals, unless ingested in large quantities. However, they can cause eyes and skin irritation, and both are dangerous if swallowed. Hopefully, now you know better both cleaning agents, Borax and Oxiclean. Both products have their advantages and their flaws, but generally speaking, you'll not make a mistake if you chose any of these products to keep your space clean. Thanks for watching our video. In case you need more information about Borax and Oxiclean, read the full article below this video. If you're watching us on YouTube, you can find the link to the article in the description.